Hey, Sadie Lou. Guess what?
I'm glad to
It's your first canoe trip. You went on the James River. See, Lily's become a real champ at canoeing this time. Lily, you gonna show how you paddle?
With me.
Wow, good job, honey.
I paddle like a lot.
You what?
I paddle like a lot.
Did you hear what she said?
No.
I paddle like a lot.
You paddle like a lot?
Huh?
Are you having fun on the canoe trip? Lily, do you like the canoe? You do?
Dropping.
I think I hear a train coming. Is that a train?
I'm going to boat.
Might be a train.
No. Oh, I fell.
You almost fell. Be careful. It's the river. And here's Sadie Lou again, being a total champ.
Mommy, we're paddling.
You're paddling.
No, we're paddling. Like Dad do.
Like Daddy does. I definitely hear a train coming. Do you know where the tracks are around here? Okay, we're gonna see some train go by here in a second, Lily. You can't see it from here? I hear it.
Choo-choo!
Chugga, chugga, chugga. Choo-choo! Be right over in there. I don't see the tracks from the river though, so they must be on the other side of that little crest. I hear it! Do you hear it, Lily? That's fun.
Choo-choo!
Choo-choo!